Right, so the Hyundai is now all keyed up and primed. I've also put some guide coat on it, so I just need to flatten that off, find any high or low spots, get that ready to paint. I then need to put on a value shade grey on that, which is the Octral 906, before I can put the colour on, because it's a poor hiding colour. I've taken the door off as well, because I had to do this damage down here, and I just couldn't do it with the door on. So I took that off yesterday. Bloody hell, that door weighs a ton. Yeah, so there we go. Right, I'm gonna sand back the guide coat that I put on there, see any high or low spots. I'm actually using the Maximum 500 from Kovacs because it's not as aggressive as other sanding discs. So let's go. So I'll just wait for the extraction to switch off. You can see here, this is what I'm talking about, high and low spots. So you can see where I've still got some of the guide coat in that scratch. That means it's low. We want it to all be a uniform grey. So this section here I know has a high spot in it because I actually put a little bit too much primer on there. So you're going to see that in a moment. You're going to see that cutting back first. See, so there we go. So there's the high spot. What we want is we want that to be an all a uniform grey. The interface pad that I'm using is the soft interface pad from Skeletime. It's got a metal plate just behind there. This is magnetic, so you can see how it picks up. That metal plate allows me to keep any contours or shapes that I'm going to. And this is a great example of how well it works. So I'm able to keep that swayage line without damaging it because of that metal plate in the top there. Any pressure is taken underneath the plate, allowing the disc to stay in contact with where you want to sand.